Good quality seed nuts. Criteria of good quality seed nuts. The quality of seed nuts determines the fruiting ability of the palms planted. The better the seed nut quality, the more you can ensure high productivity on your farm. No deep punctures or cuts. Physiologically mature with water content manifested by sloshing sound when shaken. Disease-free, undamaged by insects and rodents. Nuts should resemble the distinct appearance of the specific variety. Selected from a well-maintained nursery and good quality mother palm. Sample dwarf variety seed nuts. Sample tall variety seed nuts. Defective seed nuts. Seed nut defects to avoid. When selecting planting material, take note of the following seed nut defects. Make sure to segregate and discard seed nuts that are not suitable as planting material.